What's up, YouTube world? So today we're going to unbox a Cricut Explore Air 2, a Cricut Easypress 2, and to go along with those things, we bought a few of these things. So a little backstory. So my wife, she's holding the camera, and as you can see all the kids and everything, it's Father's Day, and she's been making these cups, these tumblers, and she's been needing stickers and blah, 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 all of these things. So I told her, I said, hey, I support your dream, I support your business. Go out and get you a Cricut. I didn't know she was gonna do it on Father's Day. So, I guess this is my Father's Day gift. One of the videos she watched, the lady had all of this stuff, so she has it now too. And a net. Let's see what's inside the Explore Air 2. Of course, it will come with a net after we purchase the net. I guess that's not a bad thing. Instructions. Let's see. A little marker. Of course, the charger, the plug, not charger, plug, USB cord for it. Let's see. Some Father's Day gift, a pink Cricut printer. So here we go right here. Pink Cricut printer. I guess that's more of a
coral.
A peach. Okay. It isn't that big. She wanted one, well, we wanted one that was gonna be able to print bigger things, because while she's doing the cup, I've always thought about doing t-shirts, so I figured if I had to get a Father's Day gift that was gonna, might as well get something that was gonna suit me too. So here it is, the knobs, buttons, rather simple, it doesn't look too extreme or anything like that. Okay. It's a box. Piece of box up there. Well, now let's see. What comes inside the Cricut Easypress 2. Don't let it be the scissors and everything. And you got a sticker, instructions. Yeah, just instructions in your registration card.
She has your phone.
Get that phone. You got the plate for it. This thing actually has some weight to it. It's actually pretty heavy. Not extremely heavy, but pretty heavy. Comes with a case, cover, a jacket for it. And the Cricut press. See, get you a better look at it. You got your Cricut press, your plug, your power button, timer, temperature, I guess timer adjusters or whatever the case may be. And that's rather pretty much it. Again, tune in to more. We plan on doing projects and showing some of the Cricut things we do on our YouTube channel, Parents of 3. Please be sure to like and subscribe at the bottom. Support our journey. And as always, enjoy your day.